In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Jira Advanced Roadmap in a Confluence page. First, start in Jira and make sure your advanced roadmap is truly ready to share. Open the plan and confirm the timeline, filters, and groupings are set the way you want your audience to see them. If you use saved views, switch to the one that best represents the story you want to tell. Double check that the fields you need, like target dates, team, or status, are visible and that any sensitive projects or issues are filtered out. It's also important to confirm that everyone who will view the Confluence page has at least read access to the projects and the plan in Jira, because the link will respect Jira permissions. Next, copy the advanced roadmap link or the specific view you want to share. In many Jira setups, you can use the share or copy link option from the plan header. If you're sharing a saved view, open that view first so the link reflects it. Keep in mind that different links can render differently, so choose the one that works best in your environment. Now, switch over to the Confluence page where you want to display the roadmap. Navigate to that page in your space so you're ready to edit the content where the roadmap will sit. Click Edit to enter the Confluence editor. With the editor open, you have two common options. The simplest is to paste the roadmap link directly into the page. Confluence will usually detect it and offer display styles such as inline, card, or embed. Choose Embed if you want the roadmap to appear right on the page. Alternatively, you can insert a Jira-related macro from the Insert menu and search for a roadmap or Jira macro available in your site. Then paste the link or search for your plan from within the macro dialog. If display settings are available, take a moment to fine-tune them. Adjust the width or height, pick a compact or detailed view if offered, and make sure the timeline scale is readable. For smart links, switching from card to embed often gives you a larger, more interactive view. Preview the page in the editor to ensure the roadmap fits cleanly with surrounding content. When everything looks good, publish the page. After publishing, confirm the roadmap appears correctly and loads as expected. If something looks off, try viewing the page as a typical reader or in a private browser window to simulate a viewer without elevated permissions. If the roadmap doesn't load, check Jira Access, confirm the link type, or try the macro approach instead of a plain link. With that, your advanced roadmap is now live in Confluence and ready for your team to explore.